Toodly-doo, hippies. Welcome to another episode of TheLyingFish. I know a couple of y'all out there are pretty jealous that I get to fish all the time and wish that you had free time to go outside and fish all you want to. But some of us guys that are married, our wives don't much appreciate us leaving the house and going fishing all the time and not doing shit around the house. So I'm about to show you a technique, mainly for the gentlemen out there, that will make your wife forcefully put you outside, leaving you a wide variety of opportunity to go fishing, do whatever the hell you want for about a week. Now, the downside, you probably won't be sleeping in a bed, maybe the back of your truck or, on the side of the water where you're going to be fishing. The hard part is getting back in the house after I show you this technique, so do this at your own risk. So, I'm about to show you how to be able to go outside and fish whenever you want without worrying about your wife wanting you inside the house doing something. Here is the secret. Go in your laundry room, open a dryer, find one expensive bra, throw it in, one pair of your pants, throw it in, one Sharpie marker, one black pen, one blue pen, throw it in, close it, high heat, turn it on, walk away for 20 minutes. Good luck, fellas. Hopefully you don't get killed.